Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is January the 23rd, 2021. You're at the location to where we're going to give you all a heads up as to where price is going to go. Yes, we're going to give you all a prediction as to where price is headed in the stock market. If this is your first time watching our video, you guys appreciate it. You guys can see how simple our chart looks. You guys can see how simple we talk. Make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also you might want to subscribe and you might want to hit that bell notification, because whenever we do our videos, we place out predictions as to where we expect the trap to go. Now, this is your first time watching our video, you might not know who is the trap. Now, the trap is the one who moves price. Plain and simple, it is his whole function is to bring the buyers and sellers together in the market. And the price chart is literally the map. It tells you what his plans are going into the future. And it's his purpose to try to catch us in bad positions so that he can continue to fill his pockets while dwindling ours. So we need to get ahead of him so that we can take the bag back and get the lick. So you guys can see on our other channel, we talked about Palantir, right? And this is why we're going to show you that Palantir stock is a buy, and we're going to show you why. Now let's check this out. Last time I did our video on Palantir was on the 29th of December. It's on our other channel. You guys can go ahead and check it out. It's in the playlist. We expected Palantir to go lower in price, but as you can tell, we did not expect the market in Palantir to completely crash. We only expected it to go slightly lower, right here to where the market came on the 2nd of December and where it opened on the 24th of November. And the market trap, he literally brought the price down to that location. So 9.26% profitability was had in that particular forecast. If you was able to catch it, because you were already in position, you saw that come to fruition. You expected that on the 29th. So in 4 days, the trap came and brought the price to where we were. We was waiting for him, right? So now that is done, that is over. Let's take this away. And obviously, look at what occurred on yesterday's trade into the market in Palantir. That is such a massive spread that this lets us know that the trap is trying to take the market to a different price location. This whole time, this market was just consolidating, just trading in a range. That was it. Right there between $24, $23, up to $30. But look what happened on yesterday. It broke this trading range. So it lets us know he's on the move. So let's take this away. And we need to rearrange our support area, right? We need to gauge how strong the market in Palantir is. Okay. Now you can use this area here, but for us, we're going to use this. This is the trend into the market in Palantir. All right. So we have an idea as to the overall strength or the movement of Palantir. This is it. The market is in an uptrend. You can tell the majority of the trading days, the market is trading above that line. And as that continues, you understand that the market in Palantir is going to continue to go higher in price. And as the market continues to trade through time, we're going to come closer and closer to this line. And then we'll get another opportunity to revise or take another look at what the trap has in store. So now, let's take a look at the market on the weekly time frame in Palantir. Like clearly, we're expecting the market in Palantir on this particular exchange to make all-time highs. The strength into the market in Palantir is definitely here. So this forecast or this prediction is going to be easy. Based off the spread on last week, even on the last 5 days, even on the last 3 weeks, this market is massively strong in Palantir at the moment. So we're going to continue to go with the strength. We're going to follow the trap. He's telling us what he wants to do. So we're going to go ahead and take this lick because of these reasons as to why we're showing, based off the trap, that the market wants to continue to go high in price. So let's do it. Okay. Now, price has to stay above $29.50 in around that area. You guys can see here to where the tops of these daily price bars are at. So I would say price needs to stay above like $29.50, right? Price cannot break anywhere below that in order for us to maintain the momentum that came in on the 22nd of January. We cannot see that break. So we're going to continue to play this movement higher in Palantir until we see the trap break the support area. Okay, so let's bring this down. So that's about 10% movement to the downside. We're just going to simply increase this market around 10% as well, which is around $36. Okay, now right here to where the market came in on the 27th of November and topped out at the all-time high of $33.50. Expect some weakness to come in there too. So it wouldn't be negative to go ahead and take some of that profit off the table around $33.50, okay, which is about 3.13% movement or profitability in that particular instance. Okay, so this is it. This is our forecast for Palantir. We're going to continue to expect the trap to increase the price of every share in the market in Palantir. You might see something totally different. And guess what? There's a comment section on this video. Well, you can't voice it, but write down your thoughts as to what you think the market in Palantir is going to do. Where do you expect the trap to go over the next couple of days in Palantir? Tell everyone, where would you take the lick? Where would you take the bag at? At what price would you exit out your position? For us, we said $33.50 first, and then ultimately up there around $36. Okay, so that will ultimately tag out around 10.5%. Now it's your turn. Make sure you maintain a profitability and go and trade different.